quit this job. I must tell to manager about my disqualification.
Hello?
Hi boss, I'm Kuna here.
Oh, hi Kuna. Been a while.
I wanted to discuss about an issue that ongoing on one of our employee at the company.
Yes, you can. What is this issue about? Is anything wrong among our employees?
No boss, the matter is this, there is an employee named Isaac and he has been working in our company for almost 2 years.
Okay.
Just a while ago, he texted me and said that he wanted to quit working in this company.
Why is that suddenly, Kuna?
When I asked him the reason why it is, ma'am, he is dissatisfied that his hard work has gone in the vain and there was no reward for his past 2 years hard work. Therefore, he wanted to quit this job.
Oh, okay, I understand. Have you gone through his work performance? How was it?
Yes, ma'am. I was gone through his working performance and what he's been telling us is correct. He indeed put hard work in his job, ma'am. He is worth giving compensation for his labor.
Have any idea on how to compensate for his labor, Kuna?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I've gone through of several ways to compensate for his labor work, which is first, we can give him an annual bonus for around 5,000 to 6,000. The next is according to the work that he has been working through, he is far more superior than the others. So we can make the supervisor for the department, where it will affect his salary increment to 3,000 to 4,000. Then finally, we can give him allowance for his overtime work around 5 to 15% for his basic salary.
So the three compensation, it seems like a good deal for the employee to be satisfied. Among the three, making him the supervisor seems to be a fair compensation for this employee. What is your opinion, Guna?
Yeah, ma'am. That seems a good compensation for his hard work and also it will be true for satisfying him. So I started with the procedure to give him the promotion, ma'am.
Yes. Make sure to let him know about this promotion, okay?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Thank you. Have a great day, ma'am.
Okay, Guna. Time for me to attend my important calls. So until next time, you have two great time. Guna, bye.
Okay. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, now I will inform back to Isaac what boss have told.